Hi there, it's Haley with Modern Exterior, and today we are in Jefferson, Wisconsin, taking a look at some old ridge venting and basically kind of going over today what the differences are between ridge venting and box venting. So if we take a look over here, currently this is an older roof and they're going to be replacing it. But as you can see, you have regular ridge caps here, and then you can see where it's slightly lifted at the top there. That is ridge venting. They should have it here because this is an attic space as well, but again, this will be something addressed another time. So this is what ridge vent looks like. The main differences between ridge vent and box vent is a lot of people nowadays choose ridge vent because one, it's a much cleaner look. You have less penetrations on your roof, so it's less likely to leak, as well as box vents. Sometimes squirrels and raccoons, unfortunately, are known to kind of try and rip those box vents off and go inside the attic. It's not super common, but it definitely does happen. Ridge venting is where the decking is cut back at the top, the ridge vent is nailed in, and then you put your regular ridge cap shingles over top. If you are having your roof insulation or you're doing it yourself, make sure you cut back the decking if you don't have ridge venting currently, so that air can flow. Close up the old box vents. You can't mix two types, so you can't have on one half of your roof ridge vent on the same face and then also have box vents. Do half your roof ridge vent, half the box vent. Then it's not going to work properly. Some ridges just are too small and you're not going to have enough square feet of outtake for it to be venting properly. So sometimes you do need to do a box vent or a turbine, like in this case here. So just keep in mind those important factors. While ridge vent is a much cleaner look, sometimes it's not meant for old roofs, just the same with box vents. Sometimes you need a wind turbine or anything like that. So hopefully that helps. Again, this is Haley with Modern Exterior, and we were in Jefferson, Wisconsin.